When we say Muhammadu Buhari is incompetent, clueless, and inept, we are not insulting him. We are just saying it as it is. As President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari has been incompetent. He has been clueless. He is inept and a failure. The state of security today is heartbreaking. Did you hear of the ABU students that were abducted? They could have been your children. They could have been you. Their parents had to pay ransom and they are back. I watched the video of one of the girls that was returned. See the way she was crying. But you know something? When she was being taken away, they didn't ask whether the incompetent Muhammadu Buhari was her president. It didn't matter. They didn't ask whether she was APC, PDP, or whatever. They didn't ask whether she was from the north or from the south. They didn't ask whether she was a Muslim or a Christian. They didn't ask what tribe she was. They took her along other fellow students and other people. What about those who have not been able to pay ransom? Is this how we are going to live our life in this country? Is this what we are going to continue to do? To look away and continue to support this incompetence we have? No, it's not doable. As long as one of us is not safe, all of us are not safe. And you know what? The saddest thing is that this victim card is going from one place to the other. It's going round. Only God knows on whom it will fall. I will continue to repeat that yesterday's victims were once survivors. Today's victims were yesterday's survivors. And tomorrow's victims will be today's survivors. Let me tell you something. In Nigeria today, being a victim is no longer a matter of if, it's a matter of when. When will the victim card come to your place? Are you going to sit and do nothing? We must demand that we be secured in this country because the primary responsibility of government is security.